Hey guys, got a brand new video for you today. I just picked this up, still sealed, haven't looked inside it yet. So we're gonna unbox it here and we're gonna take a quick look. Okay, to get a little head start on the shrink wrap there. Let's just This is the entire album, Smashing Pumpkins, Mellon, Collie, and the Infinite Sadness. It's 4 records, as you can see here. When this album was originally released, it was triple vinyl, and some songs were not in the correct order of the album and whatnot, but as you can see here, they switched it around to do so. Let's see, is this paper here? Yes, that comes off. Oh wow, look at that. It's really shiny. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but it's really shiny. Right. Okay, so that folds in there like that. So we got the outer sleeves here. I mean the inner sleeves. Yeah. Let's see what one of these looks like, huh? Wow. And it came with 2 books, so let's flip through those real quick.